Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am honored to introduce to you the 3 best budget action cameras. Through a long period of research and analysis, I have considered factors such as product quality, features, and price, and have compiled this list of the best budget action cameras for you as a good reference for your purchase. Since the prices and details of products may change, I suggest that you click on the links in the descriptions below the video to get the latest information about the products before you buy them. These cameras are packed with features that make it easy for beginners to use. They are also durable enough to withstand extreme conditions. 1. GoPro HERO8 Black. GoPro has been a dominant brand in the action camera market, and the HERO8 Black is no exception. It boasts a 12-megapixel camera that captures stunning photos and 4K videos. The camera's hyper-smooth stabilizing technology ensures that you get stable footage no matter how rough the terrain gets. The camera is waterproof up to 10 meters, making it ideal for water sports enthusiasts. The HERO8 Black also comes with voice control, making it easy to operate hands-free. It supports live streaming, time-lapse, and slow-motion capturing. Additionally, the camera has a touchscreen that allows you to frame your shots perfectly. 2. AKASO EK7000 Pro. If you are on a tight budget, the AKASO EK7000 Pro is an excellent option. It comes with a 16-megapixel camera that captures crisp and clear footage, although it only shoots in 1080p. The camera has built-in electronic image stabilization, ensuring that your footage is stable no matter how shaky your hands are. The AKASO EK7000 Pro also has a Wi-Fi connection that allows you to share your videos and photos instantly. The camera is waterproof up to 40 meters, making it ideal for water sports. 3. Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro. The Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro is perfect for capturing all of your adventures. It features a 4K 30 frames per second video resolution, 16MP photos, and electronic image stabilization to help keep your footage smooth, even when you're on the move. The Vision 3 Pro is also waterproof to 100 feet, so you can take it with you on all of your water adventures. The Vision 3 Pro is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable action camera that can capture high-quality footage. It's perfect for activities such as skiing, snowboarding, surfing, swimming, and more. With its waterproof design and multiple mounting options, you can take the Vision 3 Pro with you wherever you go. These are the top 3 best budget action cameras in 2023. These cameras are perfect for adventurers and travelers who want to capture their thrilling moments without breaking the bank. They are durable, easy to use, packed with features, and deliver excellent image and video quality. Well folks, that's it for now on the best budget action cameras. If you liked this video, please don't hesitate to click the like button, we really appreciate it. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and we'll do our best to bring you the best and newest products on the market. Our goal is to make sure you get the best product for the least amount of money. If you're looking for a great budget action cameras, be sure to check out the links in the video description for the latest prices and more information on the products. We hope you have a great day and look forward to seeing you in our next video.